Senator Panfilo Lacson lauded Baguio City Mayor Bejamin Magalong for setting a well-disciplined response by residents to the COVID-19 threat. Lacson included in his tweet photos of Baguio residents practicing social distancing. Magalong worked under Lacson at the Philippine National Police, which the senator headed from 1999 to 2001. Lacson has repeatedly lauded the mayor for choosing integrity over career when Magalong reported on his findings on the 2015 Mama Sapano incident that killed 44 Special Action Force troopers. In contrast, Lacson deplored other officials in performing their jobs.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.